here is how we can search for videos on the Google Photos. So let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe to Foxtecc and we can get started. So naturally, we need to look up the Google Photos app, get inside as usual, and we have some ability to like browse our images and videos in there. Like you can go to the collections and kind of like manage the different things and so on. But the point is that yes, when you go to the collections right there, you can look up in here or scroll to the bottom and you have it separated by the screenshots, favorites, and so on. But you can tap on the videos as well, and all of the videos which you have on your device are going to be shown in here. So not really on just the device, but on the Google Photos, right? So you'll be able to basically filter by the video only. So that's a very nice way to do it. But you can also go to the search and as well click on the videos right in here and perform some changes, right? So, or just look it up specifically, I don't know, videos which are, I don't know, from some kind of location, right? So if you add videos New York, if you have anything available, it will give you the ability to look that up. But in my case, I do not have that, so you can even go a little bit beyond that. So not just look for videos, but you can also add some other things specifically to it. Or you could type in a video and add a date, right? But yeah, that is all of that I wanted to show you in this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.